Hi guys, good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing well, and Miss Michelle tells me that she is also having a really good morning too. So today I wanted to share with you a book because you know what I've noticed is that we are going through a lot of weather changes, aren't we? Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's really sunny out, and guess what? Even sometimes it's snowing out there, isn't it? So this book today is called Sometimes Rain, and it's by Meg Fleming. And we follow these friends through the seasons of the year. And we remember those, right? There's four of them. There's fall, winter, spring, and summer. So we're going to follow them through the seasons. And when you see the season change, say, "It's changing." Okay? So follow along. And we're also going to hear some rhyming. Remember, rhymes are words that sound alike. So if you hear any of those, just be thinking of them, okay? This is pretty. There's a lot of pretty pictures in this book too. So let's begin. It's raining. Sometimes drizzle, drip, drip, drain. Sometimes picnic, sometimes rain. Sometimes dropping steady chill, sometimes frosting every hill. We changed from rain to frost, right? Oh. Sometimes sledding, frozen toes, sometimes carrot, sometimes nose. Sometimes twinkle winter white, crystal garden, silver night. Sometimes boring, wonder, wait. Sometimes early, sometimes late. I think they're waiting for spring, don't you? Let's see. Sometimes clear, bright and glowing. So much melt, the mud is growing. See, the snowman melted over there. Sometimes flying, magic swing, blooming treehouse, happy spring. Sometimes dreaming, open skies, sometimes chasing butterflies. Looks like we're in summer, huh? Sometimes blazing secret trails, sometimes finding frogs and snails. Sometimes splashing yellow sun, sometimes soaking summer fun. Sometimes changing vibrant trees, sometimes zipping out the breeze. It's getting a little windy, so she's zipping her coat up, and the trees are changing colors. What do you think we're in now? Fall. Sometimes stomping leafy crunch, sometimes eating apple lunch. Sometimes piles 10 feet tall, sometimes jumping into fall. Sometimes wandering far or near, always knowing someone here. Always ready, stay or roam, always welcome. Always home. And that's the end. What did you guys think about that? Did you see the seasons changing? Did you spot them and say, "Oh, it's changing"? We have a lot of strange weather coming our way, huh? Hopefully the sun will stay out longer and then we can all play outside together soon. Well, that's all I have for you guys for today. I hope that you have a great day and we'll talk again soon. Bye.